Welcome. In front of me is a TECLAST T60, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the first page of the home screen as an example for this. Once your content is open and visible, like my home screen is, simply hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You get a flash along with the sound and a pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. Once the pop-up right here disappears, you can find the screenshot in your Google folder. So you're looking for photos, and here we're gonna navigate to collections, and in collections you're looking for a screenshot album. And in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time of using this device. And here's the one that I have just captured a moment ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.